Imagine this: you wake up, grab your morning coffee, and check your phone. While you were sleeping, your bank account grew. That's the reality of having multiple income streams, a strategy that sets millionaires apart from the rest. Today, we are diving into why millionaires always have multiple income streams, how it protects and grows their wealth, and actionable tips for you to start building yours. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or just curious about achieving financial freedom, this is for you. Diversification minimizes risk. Relying on one source of income is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. If it fails, you fall. Millionaires know that multiple streams of income act like a financial cushion. Think about a teacher who tutors online after school or rents out a spare room on Airbnb. Even if their main job slows down, these side hustles keep money flowing. Next, compounding wealth. Over time, with multiple streams, wealth doesn't just grow, it compounds. Millionaires reinvest earnings from one stream into creating or expanding others. A graphic designer who freelances on Fiverr might invest their extra income into dividend-paying stocks or start selling digital templates online. Next, leveraging passive income for freedom. Passive income, money earned with little to no daily effort, is the secret source of financial freedom. Millionaires prioritize building these streams so they can earn while they sleep. Imagine setting up a blog that generates ad revenue, or investing in an app like Robinhood to earn dividends from ETFs. These streams require effort upfront but pay off consistently over time. Next, access to new opportunities through capital. More income streams mean more capital to seize opportunities. Millionaires can fund startups, buy undervalued real estate, or explore new ventures without financial strain. A freelance writer who starts earning from affiliate marketing can save up to invest in fractional real estate through platforms like Fundrise. Next, recession-proof your finances. Economic downturns can wreak havoc on single-income earners. Millionaires thrive during recessions because their diversified streams are spread across industries. During the pandemic, many people lost jobs, but those with side hustles like e-commerce or online coaching found financial stability. You might think, I don't have time, or I don't know where to start. The truth is, building income streams doesn't require quitting your day job. Start small, like dedicating an hour a day to freelancing, investing, or learning a new skill. Turn your hobby into a side hustle. Love photography? Offer stock photos on platforms like Shutterstock. Start investing even small amounts into apps like Acorns or Stash, which automate the process for you. Now it's your turn. Identify just one potential income stream you can start today. Is it freelancing, investing, renting out something you own? Whatever it is, take action. Start small, but start now. Remember, financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Millionaires didn't build their wealth overnight. It's the result of consistent, small steps that anyone can take. If this video inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable financial tips. Share your ideas in the comments. What income stream will you create first? Let's grow together.